Welcome to video 4 in the Trimlight Select Plus series. In this video, we will discuss pairing Trimlight to your home Wi-Fi network. With Trimlight, you have the option to connect your new system and your home Wi-Fi network. Once this process is completed, you will no longer need to use the Trimlight Wi-Fi signal to connect the controller. You will first want to ensure that you are connecting to a 2.4 gig network signal, as the Trimlight controller will not connect to a 5 gig signal. And you will want to ensure you have a strong home Wi-Fi signal in the area where the controller is located. Weak signals may require a Wi-Fi signal extender available at any electronics retailer. Follow these steps for connecting to your home network. Go into the settings on your device and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Now, you will push and hold the STA AP button on the Trimlight controller until you see a flashing green light. This indicates that the controller is searching for a Wi-Fi signal. Now open your Trimlight app and touch the Add Device button. Enter your home Wi-Fi password in the pop-up menu and press OK. You will see a pop-up indicating that the device is configuring. This may take several seconds or in some cases a couple of minutes. Wait until the configuration is complete. Once complete, you should see the screen populate with your home network name. Tap on the home network name to pull up the on-off toggle. Keep in mind, if you do not see your home network populate after 1 to 2 minutes, drag your finger down the screen and the controller will search for your home network again, and it should eventually populate. Keep in mind your system may take several minutes to connect. Once configured, the flashing green light will turn solid. Now touch on the home Wi-Fi name, making sure you turn your Trimlight system on. You are now ready to enter into the app to program your lights. Thanks for watching. Please keep checking back for more short videos on additional tips and tricks, as well as more advanced features you can program with your Trimlight Select Plus system.